Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to be talking about color theory. Understanding how colors work together is essential for all types of art. We'll cover the color wheel and its primary, secondary, tertiary colors, warm and cool colors, complementary, split complementary, and triadic color combinations, tints, tones, and shades, and the importance of using a neutral palette while mixing your paint. So, let's get started. Part 1. The color wheel. The color wheel is a powerful tool that unlocks the secrets of color relationships. Pioneered by Sir Isaac Newton, the color wheel emerged from his groundbreaking experiments and inquiries into the nature of light and color. Today, the color wheel stands as an invaluable tool in the artist's arsenal, empowering us to delve into the intricacies of color harmonies. It serves as a compass by guiding our choices and enabling the creation of captivating compositions. The primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. These are colors that can't be made by mixing any other colors together. The secondary colors are green, orange, and purple. These are colors that are made by mixing two primary colors together. The tertiary colors are made by mixing a primary color and a secondary color. These colors include yellow-green, blue-green, red-orange, yellow-orange, blue-purple, and red-purple. Part 2. Warm and cool colors. Warm and cool colors possess the remarkable ability to evoke distinct moods within a painting. When skillfully harnessed, these color temperatures can orchestrate a symphony of emotions, adding depth and resonance to artistic compositions. Warm colors includes reds, oranges, and yellows. These colors can create a sense of energy, warmth, and excitement. Cool colors includes blues, greens, and purples. These colors can create a sense of calmness, relaxation, and tranquility. Part 3. Complementary, split complementary, and triadic color combinations. The art of combining colors in diverse ways unveils a world of endless possibilities and transformative effects. By skillfully orchestrating color interactions, artists can weave captivating narratives, evoke powerful emotions, and create visual magic that transcends the canvas. Complementary colors are colors that oppose each other on the color wheel. These colors can create a sense of contrast and vibrancy. Examples include blue and orange, red and green, yellow and purple. Split complementary colors are a variation of the complementary colors. Instead of using the color directly opposite, you use two colors on either side of the opposite color. This can create a more harmonious color combination. An example would be blue-green, orange, and red-orange. Triadic color combinations use three colors that are equally spaced apart on the color wheel. This can create a balanced and harmonious color combination. Examples include red, blue, and yellow, or green, orange, and purple. Part 4. Tints, tones, and shades. Adjusting the intensity of a color opens up a world of possibilities. By varying the vibrancy and saturation, artists can achieve a wide range of effects. Whether it's infusing a composition with energy or adding subtle nuances, playing with the color intensity allows artists to create captivating and dynamic artworks. A tint is a color that has been mixed with white. This creates a lighter and softer version of the original color. A tone is a color that has been mixed with gray. This creates a more muted and subdued version of the original color. A shade is a color that has been mixed with black. This creates a darker and richer version of the original color. Part 5. The importance of using a neutral palette. Your monthly Masterpiece Painting Supply Kit includes a specially selected gray palette. This choice is not by chance, but rather a deliberate decision aimed at enhancing your perception of colors and your ability to mix them, allowing you to develop a keen eye for subtle variations. A neutral palette is a palette that is made of a gray tone. Using a neutral palette can help you see the true colors of your paints and mix them accurately. Thank you so much for joining us today. Be sure to check out our other videos and to visit us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and at communityartroom.com.